Morning YouTube, it's September 29th. On Saturday morning I just have an emergency call, kind of a strange. It is a breakfast place. I spoke to the manager and she said that the walk-in freezer is 45 degrees. Immediately I thought, well, something happened recently, but no. I asked her how long this freezer has been like that, and she says 2 days. It's kind of a strange for 2 days of a freezer, you know, at 45 degrees. I will call immediately the first day. I wouldn't wait another day, but for some reason they wait for a second day, which 45, I think whatever is in there is already gone. Now she says that they have another company coming back and forth, and they never solve the problem. The system is leaking refrigerant somewhere, and these people, according to her, they were working on the walk-in freezer 2 days ago. And I hope the evaporator is not completely frozen, because it's gonna be a challenge, you know. She has to get approval from her boss in order for me to go. So that is telling me that probably they are kind of concerned about the price. So, but anyways, that's where I'm going right now. I'm trying to get on time. I told them I'm gonna be there by noon, and it's 12:15 already. But I'm gonna be there. So see you there, guys. I don't know what is this. Holy shit. It wasn't a good idea. Alright. Let me get my sprayer. I'll be right back. So now this is the situation. Got a disconnect switch over there. This disconnect, it says disconnect to now work. Both of them go downstairs, but I don't know which one is which. Now another thing is that, let me close this up, is that the evaporator is not running at all, which the manager, for the description she gave me, looks like the system is low on refrigerant. In that case, the evaporator should be running anyways. I guess we're gonna start over here. I believe this disconnect switch, it does this. You know what? Let's check this out first of all. Let's check if we got power. got power here, so that's a good thing. I'm assuming that this one goes here, and it goes right into that junction box, and from that junction box I guess it goes back in here, and from here back into the unit. Don't ask me why, I'm just guessing. Holy crap. Alright, there is a lot of water. I don't know if you can see it. Nasty. Nasty. There is a filter dryer that looks like has been replaced recently, but it's oil all around. It's not on defrost. No, it's not. We got 2 cycles, 42 minutes each. For the way that the oil is distributed, the leak is gonna be either here or probably here. I don't think I have enough refrigerant. Even if I found a leak, I don't think I got enough 404. Let's see if it says somewhere. 404. Of course it doesn't say. Okay. They did a repair over here. They had a leak over here. Probably probably they got more than one, because they cut all this section and they did repairs in that one and this one. Got 2 boxes downstairs, so I'm assuming that this is the old one that is not in use anymore, and then they have this one over here. All right, let's see if we got power first thing, right? 208, 208. Oh. Yeah. It's destroyed. Let me see if I can get a pressure reading. Oh. All right. This is bad. Bad, 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 bad. The system is completely flat. All right. I just took some pictures out of this system. Is in really, really bad shape. I wouldn't put a cent on this system. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to my boss right now. I'm gonna talk to these people and see what we can get together. Who knows how many leaks I may have. So I can repair it. Probably in 24 hours it's gonna be down again. I just shoot some refrigerant so I can have my leak detector going on. I didn't need too much. So far I can see that's my only leak. I checked the coil. They did some repairs, but it looks like they're holding, so that's a good thing. And I checked my flares, and it looks like they holding too. Check the compressor and suction and liquid service valves where the pressure switches are. Looks like everything is fine. It's just that now the question is, I'm gonna talk to these people and see if they want me to stay. I'm gonna be here for a good hours. You know, I have to do that repair and then a nice vacuum and then charge it. The problem is I don't have enough refrigerant. I probably have 8 pounds, so the only place that I know in my area, I'm pretty much sure it's closed. So I believe we have to be the hero of the day. I got everything that I need.
vacuum pump. Acetylene. I need to get more refrigerant, so but I'm gonna get it. They need the system running ASAP, so I'm gonna give them an ASAP solution that it will be the quick repair of the crack on the elbow, and immediately after that I'm gonna put a nice vacuum. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the refrigerant. By the time that I'm back, the vacuum, I hope, is gonna be done, and then we're gonna charge it up and see you later, alligator. At least the system is gonna be running. Alright. The good thing is I still have time. It's 2 o'clock, it's not too late. I'm gonna go to my shop and get some more refrigerant, because I got probably 8 or 7 pounds, which is not gonna be enough for this freezer. And I just spoke to my boss, and he went to our shop and he looked through our stuff, and he found that we got some 404 in stock. So I'm gonna go pick it up, since I'm not far away from this location, and grab it. In the meantime, I got the system on vacuum. By the time that I'm back, she's gonna be holding a good vacuum for me to start charging. Let me go back to my shop, grab my 404, and come back here. See you there. This system has been running in a vacuum for a couple good hours. I went back to my shop, grabbed some 404. Actually, I got my jug over there, and I still have 2 more jugs downstairs I'm gonna use. So it should be plenty. The only bad thing about it is that now that I'm seeing it, I don't have a side glass. It's not impossible. We can do it anyways. So let's get all this together. Looks like we are in defrost. Get me the other way, god damn it. Yeah, she was in defrost. Alright, so far I got 7 pounds and still counting. Alright, you got 8 pounds and a half almost. So we're gonna start it up and keep charging. Condenser fan, that's a good thing. Compressor is very loud. So far I got 9 pounds of refrigerant in it. Those are my pressures. Superheat is 36 degrees and it's dropping little by little. I have to consider that the box, it was 50 degrees when I started. So far it has been running for 20 minutes probably. So I still need to wait for the box to drop temperature. I'm gonna see how the temperature is right now. There's a disconnect switch
over here at the wall, and it says disconnect switch not working. I was wondering what is happening to it, so I just open it. Nice. So I don't know what that is. I believe it used to be a disconnect switch, and then they just bypass it. Who knows? Alright. That's great. Temperature in the walk-in freezer is 26 degrees. So that's a good thing. Alright, fans are running. So far I see there is no ice on the evaporator, so that's a good thing. You can see it's clear. Let's take a look at the thermostat. Alright, thermostat is set up to 0 degrees. I don't know if that's what they're looking for, but that's what they got. Before I leave, I'm gonna ask them if they want me to drop the temperature a little more. Alright. Anyways. The evaporator is nice. I can see that they replaced evaporator motors already. So, you know, it's gonna take some time. Right now we are in the 10 degrees. So it's just a matter of time right now. She's gonna drop, she's gonna reach 0 degrees probably in an hour or so.